Today we will be showing you a glitch on Midnight Club 3 Dub Edition on map San Diego for the 619 Customs Garage. This glitch can only be performed on 2-player mode with motorcycles. Cars are not available to use for this glitch. These are the people that found the glitch. He's the person that found out the glitch. This is the person that actually found out how to get in. So here they're gonna perform the glitch, and as you watch the bottom screen, he is already in the customs garage. So let's go to the top screen. He's gonna show you how to do it. Now what you do is you have to go to the right hand corner of the garage and then just get some speed and just pull in. Now once you pull in, you have to stop or else you will shoot out of the garage.
And I'll show you what happens if you don't stop next.
Yeah, and the bottom screen will show you what happens if you don't stop. So you just like hug up against the door and then just go right in the crack.
This is what happens when you don't stop.
Watch the top screen and it shows you what happens when you don't stop. You just come out on any spot. So there's the glitch. Have fun. That's what happens.